Hi, and thank you for taking this course. This will be quick, and I'd recommend just sticking around and just ignore the urge to skip ahead. This introduction is aimed to give you some pointers to more easily navigate the course and hopefully help you avoid issues. During the course, we'll be using different assets at various stages, and the asset folder is available here. Download and unzip this. Probably best, set up a project folder now and store all your files relating to the course inside, including this asset folder. I try cover a lot of content during my lectures and will be moving very quickly through the content. When recording, I try to clearly detail each step I take during the process. On the bottom right of the screen, the keys I press and the values I input will be displayed. These are there so if you do miss what I say, the keystrokes can help you replicate every action I take. You may have to pause and rewind often while following the course. There are some very useful controls on Udemy that can help make life a little bit easier. If we come to the gear icon and open the keyboard shortcuts, here we have a list of shortcuts. These can be used to quickly control the video playback as you watch the course. Play pause, for example, is spacebar. The next shortcut, Shift plus left arrow key, is to slow the video playback down, and Shift right arrow to speed it up. More importantly is to go back 5 seconds here, and that's just the left arrow key. There are other shortcuts you can familiarize yourself with here. Now, one thing to note is that if you are working in Blender and you want to rewind 5 seconds, for example, you need to make the video player active. In Windows, you can switch to another application with the shortcut Alt plus Tab. This will open a preview of the applications you have open, and then use the Tab key to toggle along the available ones. So if you only had Blender and Udemy open, you could quickly jump back and forth. In this case, I have OBS recording the screen, so I do have an extra app to toggle through. I can X this down. These can greatly improve your course experience on Udemy, and I do recommend spending some time to learn them. You can also adjust the video quality from the settings menu here. If you find the quality reducing, you can manually set it to the highest quality available. However, if your broadband speeds are low, the quality will reduce automatically. This can be frustrating, so just be aware that this is an issue. To manually adjust the playback speed, you can do that on the opposite side here. The default is 1 and 2 will increase the speed, where 0.5 will reduce the playback speed. If you come across any issues during the course or have any questions, please leave a question in the questions section and I'll do my best to respond quickly. Udemy have this great search function available here. Use keywords from your question to get the answer quickly. You will probably find the answer has previously been answered and you can continue through the course without further interruption. During the course, Udemy will ask you for a review, so if you have a sense of the course and have the time, please do provide one. You can always change it at any time. Your feedback and review are essential and I appreciate all comments and reviews. That's it for the introduction, so jump into the first lecture and I hope you will enjoy the course.